If you want to be a better cook, watch my channel. I guarantee you will learn something in every one of my recipe videos. I love food so much that I dropped out of college and I went to culinary school to learn everything that I can about food. Who am I? Why should you listen to me? What are we doing here? This is not going to be a recipe video, so if that's what you were looking for, I will link one up there. You can go check that one out. This is going to be more about the channel and where this channel is going. My name is Mina and I love food so much that I dropped out of college and I went to culinary school to learn everything that I can about food. Now, I did go back to college and finish my degree, but that's a story for a whole nother video. I graduated from the French Culinary Institute in New York City. I then became a professional cook in New York City for years, where I worked at some great places, including some Michelin star restaurants. This is where I really learned how to cook, and I even developed some recipes for them, which you can find on Google to this day. My quest to learn about food did not stop once I left culinary school. It did not stop once I left the restaurant industry. For example, this is what I'm reading in my free time right now. This is just what I'm reading right now to brush up on some things that I want to know. I have a lot of other books that I like to reference and I like to read from time to time. So you can say that I take food pretty seriously. As I said before, I love food so much that I got to be 240 pounds. This was not that long ago. This was actually in December of 2019. We are right now in September of 2020 and I am at 183 pounds. A few months ago, I discovered Greg Doucette and this whole anabolic way of eating, and I knew I could bring something new to this whole anabolic kitchen thing. That being said, my videos will not just be anabolic recipes. They're gonna be focused a lot more on cooking skills and techniques that you can use in any recipe that you want. My favorite part of food and cooking is the science that goes behind cooking and why things happen the way that they do and how we can change them. And it seems like a lot of you guys are also interested in that from the feedback that I got on the donut video. So most of my videos now will have a little bit of science in them to explain why I am doing the things I do and why I choose some of the ingredients that I do. For my next video, I had two ideas. Idea one, anabolic cookies. It would be like the donut video where I'm going to explain the science that goes into it and why I choose the ingredients that I do. Idea two, an anabolic restaurant style dinner. That would be a dish that you could make for anyone that would be impressed that you actually made a dish like this. So let me know which video you'd rather see first. I will obviously make the two videos eventually. It's just a matter of which one comes first. If you want to see all the behind the scenes stuff, all the recipe testing, all the failures of the recipe testing, follow me on Instagram. I post all that stuff there. Tag me if you make any of my recipes. I will tag back everyone, not just the ones whose food look good. And in the meantime, I will put up two videos somewhere here on the screen. You can go watch them. I guarantee you will learn something in every one of my recipe videos, either about cooking or about food. If you want to be a better cook, watch my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.